Okay, and then we look a little bit this my spare part fuse, and there is really idea that if this central area is solid, what we look in that area in here, then this fuse is okay. But if this central area is away, then this fuse is blown out and broken. And this is really our tool. But if we have these long head pliers, like in that one, then this replace is easier. And I have this plier, and now we go to look 29 position. It is in here, that one, and then I take my tool, and this is a little bit difficult position, and I pull out this fuse so it goes easily, and then we check that what is this fuse status. Fuse status in here, it is interesting to see, and we compare. Now this is like test. There is that one, and now when we look, we can see right away what looks like broken and bad Honda Civic fuse. This is bad and this is okay. Look this central area in here. And now we can really see that this is bad fuse because central area is away and this one is fine. And now I install then this fuse in back in this position 29.